So guys, just an update since last year, just to sort of run you through my Discovery Sport and the improvements I've made on it. So I'll just go through it again. So we'll start with the grille, which was Powerful UK Limited. So I upgraded the grille to 2016 Discovery Sport. Upgraded the writing from silver to grey, to black rather, and on the bonnet, that back panel there from silver to black. Just think it looks a lot better. Also down here you can see I took it along there and along the bottom and just basically sprayed that in. I'll show you what paint I used. I'll actually put that on the video so you can see. Just gives it a really good finish. That's been on there for nearly 2 years, so almost. So it's done well. Hasn't chipped or flaked or anything. I said I was going to do the wheels. This is how the wheels have come out. They look really good. Same paint again on the wheels. 2-3 coats, no undercoat, no gloss. Come out lovely. Upgraded the side. I painted that again. Same paint, black. Put the transfer on, the SD4, Sports Diesel 4, and I painted this side here, just along the panel, as you can see, and finishing that off over there. So I've kind of continued it along there like that. And we're putting the side step, which I think looks really, really good. Followed it with the mud flaps. I sprayed them, put the mud flaps in, put the side steps on. I think they look excellent. And again, the back wheel coming out really nice with the paint. Excellent paint, lovely adhesion. And again, the mud flap with the back with Discovery on it. Put that on. And remember last year I painted these exhaust pipes with chrome silver. They're now just black paint, same paint again. No undercoat, no gloss, no peeling. It's been on there for all that time and never had any problems. Going up, got a back panel which we put on last year. Again, still looking excellent, still looking really shiny, and that was from Powerful UK Limited. And writing the text, which is black, from silver to black, looks really good. The back panel was done in plastic, and that's been done in black, and again no peeling, as you can see, no peeling whatsoever. Still looking excellent after all this time. Went for the whole winter and still looking really, really good. These back panels here, they started fading. They're plastic. You can renew them, they're quite expensive, but you can renew them. But I used the same paint, which I'll show you. I sprayed them up and they come up really nice, lovely and glossy again. So a lot of experimenting going on, seems to have paid off. Mud flap again and the wheels. You can see it looks excellent, really good, lovely quality finish. And again at the back, doing the front all the way leading to the back, that part there. Now the badge there that's missing, I took them off, so I've ordered the silver and black to match that badge logo. You want to put in there, that's on its way, so I'll just finish that off. We've got the wind deterrent at the top, I put them in, and the side mirrors with the black caps gloss. And again, that side just makes that look so much better. At the back there, the front wheels, it's really, really good. The centre caps, changed them obviously from silver black. Yeah, you know, it's a bit of experimenting, a bit of fun. I love doing it. It's great fun. I just think it makes the car look so much better. So I walk around. So I hope you like it, guys. It's just a few ideas, bit of painting, bit of spraying here and there. Put the black strip in all the way along to meet that at the end with the light. So you've got this that comes round. I put the black coach line strip in all the way along to the handles, up to the end to there. I think that just looks so much better. Makes it look a bit more classy. It's got a bit of a character of its own. So there you go. Hope you enjoy it. Hope it gives you some ideas. I enjoy it. I know it's an old car, but hey, you know, whatever makes us happy. Eh? Have a lovely day. So guys, yes, this is the paint. So it's called Simon Eyes Gloss Black Tough Paint, and it's quick drying, durable and chip resistant. No primer required. Hard wearing, super smooth finish, and it really is a protection paint. Now I use that for plastic and on metal. I have had some experience, you know, not in a garage, but from in the past, sort of fixing cars for friends and family. And this is the best I've come across when it comes to an all-rounder and not a lot of work involved. So, you know, it's great for an upgrade, especially wheels and plastics. I totally recommend it. It's been on my car now for some parts of it. It took me almost 2 years, and there's been no peeling, chipping or anything. And it really is a really good paint. So I totally recommend it for your car and upgrades if you're using black. I've only ever used black, so I'm not going to say for anything else. But yeah, it's great.